how to reset Pokemon Go password. So if you want to reset your Pokemon Go password, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Google or your browser. Now search for PokemonGo.com and it will take you to the official website. From here, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Then you need to tap on sign in. After that, you want to tap in sign in with Pokemon Trainer Central. After that, you will see a page, which is your login page. Now here, once you get this kind of interface, you'll have trouble logging in. You need to tap on it. Then you will have an option of I forgot my password. So go and tap on it. And then you need to enter your email address. If you don't have your email address associated with this account, you can just tap on it. Or if you already have the email, enter your email address, go with continue, and then you will receive a verification code on your email. So you just need simply go and enter that verification code, and you'll be able to reset your password. Or you will get an email with a link with your reset password link attached. And by simply opening that link, you'll be able to reset your password on Pokemon Go. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.